Welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential Instagram feature that'll help you reconnect with conversations you might have silenced. Whether you muted a chat by accident or just changed your mind, unmuting messages is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats without a hitch. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll spot the messenger icon. It looks like a tiny paper airplane. Give that a tap to open your direct messages. Now, scroll through your chats until you find the one you muted. If you're part of a lot of conversations, this might take a second, but don't worry, you'll spot it. Once you've located the chat, press and hold on it. A menu will pop up with several options, including one that says Unmute Messages. Tap that, and voila, you're back in the loop. From this moment on, you'll start receiving notifications again whenever that person or group sends you a message. No more wondering if you missed something important. The chat will light up just like it used to, keeping you connected without missing a beat. And here's a pro tip. If you ever feel like muting the chat again, just repeat these steps and select Mute Messages instead. Instagram gives you full control over your notifications, so you can tailor your experience to what works best for you. That's all there is to it. In just a few taps, you've unmuted a chat and reopened the door to those conversations that matter most. Whether it's a friend, family member, or a group you're active in, staying in touch is now as simple as holding your finger on a screen. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.